Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Sanesfield, or 12 miles southeast of Great Barrington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Russell, Granville, Chester, Blandford, and Holland around 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westfield, Huntington, and Montgomery around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Southwick, Southampton, and Westhampton around 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton and Easthampton around 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Holyoke, West Springfield, and Chesterfield around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Williamsburg around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Dutchess County in east-central New York, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sharon, or 16 miles north of Sherman, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Torrington, Ammonia, Kent, Sharon, Norfolk, Millerton, Falls Village, Cornwall Bridge, Winsted, Dover Plains, New Hartford Center, Northwest Irwinton, Salisbury, Goshen, Colebrook, Cornwall, Smithfield, West Torrington, South Canyon, and Wrightville. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm